if you are looking for an awesome shirt, you are going to absolutely love this. I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about it, whether it's a good shirt to wear outside in the heat, everything you need to know. So this is from COOFANDY. I wear a ton of their clothes. What I will say is I would size up. So if you are an XL, go for double XL to just have a little bit more breathing room. This is a great shirt for summer, super lightweight, which I personally like. Some of these shirts that I've gotten in the past are super heavy. Like if you're wearing a polo shirt, you're definitely gonna be sweating. This is not like that. Very, very loose fitting, as you can see here. Fits really nice on the arms as well. Someone wants to know, does it have a pocket? It does have a pocket right up here. This is my wallet right over here. So you'll see right over here, you could easily put a wallet in here. I wouldn't put this wallet in here because it's very bulky. But you can fit a wallet in here, a couple cards, whatever you want to put in there. It is buttoned. It does have a collar as well. So that's another nice thing about this. The fact that it is a button down and has a collar, this could get you into most restaurants. Someone wants to know what it looks like. Can you wear this untucked? Yes, I am wearing it untucked with a pair of jeans. I personally probably wouldn't tuck this shirt in. I just don't really like to tuck shirts in general. But for me, I'm wearing it untucked right now, so it could definitely be worn untucked. I could see wearing this to the beach with a bathing suit. Like, it's just super versatile, super lightweight. So if you were looking for a great shirt that's super lightweight, could be worn to fancier places because it has the button down and the collar as well. So if you need a collar shirt and button down, definitely check this shirt out. Absolutely love this. Can't wait to wear it more. And it comes in all sorts of different colors as well. And a huge thank you to the brand for sending this over so I could do this review.